Animal habitats. Animal habitats. Chapter 1. What is a habitat? A habitat is a place where things live. Habitats are full of plants and animals. Different plants and animals live in different habitats. Habitats can be hot, warm, or cold. Some habitats are very dry. Other habitats are very wet. Chapter 2. Types of habitats. The jungle is a habitat. It rains a lot in the jungle. The jungle is warm. The jungle is full of animals. Snakes, frogs, and monkeys live in the jungle. The jungle is also full of plants. The desert is a habitat. The desert is very hot. The desert is also very dry. Camels and lizards live in the desert. The desert does not have many plants. It is too hot for many plants and animals. The savanna is a habitat. The savanna is warm. The savanna is sometimes wet and sometimes dry. The savanna is full of animals. Giraffes, lions, and elephants live in the savanna. Trees and grasses grow in the savanna. The forest is a habitat. The forest can be hot, warm, or cold. It can be wet or dry. The forest is full of trees. Deer, bears, and rabbits live in the forest. Sometimes animals live in the trees. The ocean is a habitat. The ocean is very wet. It is almost all water. The ocean is full of fish and other animals. Sharks, whales, and crabs live in the ocean. Plants like seaweed live in the ocean too. Polar habitats are very cold. It is too cold for trees to grow in polar habitats. There is ice and snow in polar habitats. Animals that live in polar habitats like the cold. Some of these animals are polar bears, penguins, and seals. Polar habitats are too cold for many animals. Chapter 3. Everything has a habitat. All plants and animals live in a habitat. Some plants and animals need to live in hot or warm habitats. Some plants and animals need to live in cold habitats. Some plants and animals need to live in dry habitats. Some plants and animals need to live in wet habitats. What kind of habitat does your favorite animal live in? The end.